Hello guys, we are in the last day in Oludeniz and we choose to do a boat tour to visit the 6 islands in Oludeniz. So enjoy the video. I am Dunya from Tunisia, traveler and living in Turkey. I am here to inspire your next adventure in this beautiful country. On my channel, you will find the best things to do in your visit to Turkey. There is a transfer from your hotel to the port of Fethiye. The departure will be from the marine of Oludeniz, and we bought the ticket from here. I chose a small boat with EU price. The boat tour starts at 10 morning, so if you wanna do a tour in 6 islands in Oludeniz, you need to be before 10 morning in Oludeniz Marine. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. Our first destination of our boat is cold water by where icing spring water. Here the water is so fresh. It's about 10 degrees. It's really so cold. I think it's the most cold place in Oludeniz. Now we are going for the second destination, Nicholas Island. Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. I visited many beaches in Turkey like Antalya, Izmir, Ayvalık, but it's the best one. Really, I never see the water like that. In Nicholas Island, we can find a museum, so if you have a museum card, do not forget it to take it because I forget it and there is no internet in this place, so it was not difficult to enter the museum without my card. I think here is very beautiful and relaxed place. It's really amazing. Now it's time for lunch and you can choose fish or chicken. The food was freshly cooked but unfortunately I didn't like it. I chose fish. I thought it would be tasty but really I didn't like it. Here we can see we have bread, we have a salad and we have some rice, also the chicken or the fish. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
After the lunch, now the time for the next stop is the Aquarium Bay.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Get on board. We're smiling on top of the world.
The best part in this tour is Butterfly Valley. You can climb to the waterfall into the valley and see the tiger butterflies, but we choose to stay on the beach and enjoy the view. And here we have 1 hour in Butterfly Valley.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world.
The last stop of our tour is Blue Cave. Here you can swim in the Blue Cave. It's very huge cave.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the
Today video finished, but my tour in Turkey don't finish. See you next video.